Hello, today I want to show you how to make omelette, and it's chili powder omelette. It's very hot and I need these ingredients for the omelette. These are 4 eggs and half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon full chili powder, 1 big jalapeno pepper I already cut in the pieces, and I used the inside that white stuff. I didn't throw that away. I used this in my omelette. And this is half onion. I already diced this onion, and half teaspoon black pepper. And I'll mix these eggs with the fork and add all these ingredients. And I need butter and just a little oil to fry this omelette. So let's go to make omelette now. Now I turn the stove on and put just little oil so the butter don't stick on the frying pan. And this is 2 tablespoons butter. It's too hot. Now I'm lower the heat, and now I'm going to. When you put the omelette, you need to put in the hot frying pan. It needs to cook a little bit, so I'm gonna cover this. I flip this omelette. I make it little darker because if you put onion, lot of onion, it needs to cook good. And it's almost done. I'm going to take these out in the frying pan and to plate. It's little hard. So this is chili pepper omelette, and it's very good, tasty. And thanks for watching my video. Try my recipe. See you next time. Bye.